Kenyatta University Council and Senate wish to announce that the 48th graduation ceremony will be held virtually or online on Friday, 18th December 2020. The graduation ceremony will be streamed live on the Kenyatta University television station, website, Lola app, and social media platforms. All PhD students and all selected graduates who will represent the other categories of students at the virtual graduation ceremony will attend a virtual rehearsal on Wednesday, 16th December 2020 at 9:30 a.m. Meeting links and login credentials to access the virtual graduation will be sent to all the selected graduates via SMS. All the selected graduates will be expected to log in for the rehearsal by 9 a.m. Graduates who wish to collect the academic attire for their own celebrations, including photography, at their preferred settings will be issued with the same at their respective schools between 7th and 16th December 2020. All the graduates are expected to pay their graduation fees by Friday, 11th December 2020. For more information, please contact the Office of the Registrar Academic or the university website www.ku.ac.ke.